About to start washing this thing and I'm like, wait a minute, I never did anything outside of a walk around, so it's kind of important. Car looks really, really good. You can tell that door's been sprayed. It's not the worst. It kind of just needs a wet sand, you know what I mean? The bottom's worse than the top, so, but thank goodness for that it splits it. Has a chip up front right above the Audi symbol on the right. The first ring, that's easily to be touched up, but it is a pretty big chip. That wheel, I think that should clean up nicely. This back wheel is really dirty. I don't know what's the story with that. Not that bad, you know. You can see where I took off the ski racks. You can tell they were on there for a long time. Little ping there on the back. But when you really find out everything is when you wash a car. You can see it's got a scrape there. That will easily come out. There's another line here. I bet I could get that out. This should be able to come out. There's a ping there. There's a little rust there that I was already trying to take care of. What else? So far, yeah, like I said, you can see here. You know, I guess I gotta learn how to wet sand a car because nobody wants to do any work. I might as well just figure it out on my own, right? Hey, why not? Other than that, a lot of it's just dirt, a couple little deposits of stuff. Yeah, this car should come out pretty decent, actually. Really, like everything else when it comes to Audis, you know, falling in love, which I shouldn't be. This here, not really much I could do. I don't think I could fix this, but, you know, I know a lot of them do it. But hey, for the money, this car's looking mighty fine. Started a business to clean up this spare tire that is not, you know, the right one for the black S4. It's mostly you find these, actually they did come on S4s, but pretty rare. I don't know why this one is different. I doubt this car had these on there. They also came on a lot of A6s, and these would be bigger in an RS6 Plus. Just using some acid, this Zep thing here, good sprayer so far. Usually I buy a lot of them, they're terrible, they can't handle the acid. I have the acid in the description below and also that bottle, which, you know what, sometimes you just have to buy a better bottle because none of these things want to work. But yeah, every little part of this car now counts.